Erik's got us here. Where are we, Erik?
27 Wedgewood Road in East Longmeadow.
It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. Erik, we got a really great ranch here, right?
Yeah.
With a partially finished basement.
Yes.
This place is great. Why don't you show us around?
All right, come on inside.
All right, we walk in, and the first room we're going into, I mean, look at these ceilings.
Great vaulted ceilings that makes it feel really open in here.
We got a dining room kind of open up to this room as well.
Yeah, right off of the living room, the dining room, and then you turn around and you see the galley kitchen with heated floors.
Great, and I saw that deck off the dining room too. That was a really nice one.
Yeah. Come on down the hall. The first thing you'll see on your left is the first bathroom. After that, you'll see the primary bedroom with an ensuite.
Wow, we have really good sized bedrooms here. It's a really spacious ranch, it looks like.
Newer roof, newer heating system, beautifully landscaped yard at almost 2 acres, and you have an oversized 2-car garage.
If you're shopping in East Longmeadow, you do have to come check this place out.
Going down further, you're going to see your other 2 bedrooms. We have a partially finished basement.
And that finished basement has an extra half bath,
Yes.
an office area, opened up to the backyard, walkout.
Walkout basement with a nice little fireplace.
Check it out. If you want a private tour, Erik's information is on the screen. If you'd like to hit me up for some financing options, my number is on there as well. Just give us a buzz. East Longmeadow, thanks for having us. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. We're out of here.